let's design the gift bag mock-up for my latest collection. Okay, so this one's very simple. You have a bow color and then you have a bag design. So nothing too crazy. There isn't a lot of print effects or anything like that. For the bow color, you can leave it white. You can kind of disable or even adjust the shadow of the bow depending on how you feel, how it looks. And then for the bag, you can change the, add your artwork and then change the bag color right within it. So we'll go ahead and just start with that. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now let's go ahead and change the bow. I'm just gonna match the color the best I can. Maybe drop it a little bit. Perfect. And there you go. So you can see how it changes if you have a dark background or a light background. It still maintains really, really well.